What?
Where's that car?
We have to go get it.
What is it?
We have to. Say cheese. Cheese. That's a cute picture.
I'm gonna go check something in that forest. I don't go down there. I am. I want to go down there. Hey, walk. See how the outlet looks? Go on this side. Hey, let's put some leaves in there.
Can you jump off from there?
Huh?
Can you jump from there?
I want
I think you could do it.
to. Sure.
It's just leaves. Good job.
I want to do it.
Here goes Hudson. Hudson's turn. Yay! Well, you got to make sure you move all the big sticks. Make sure there's no sticks you jump in. Move the sticks because that'll hurt your hands.
Hey guys, I want to put the sticks in the fire gate.
Okay.
I don't put the leaf in there.
Probably not leaves. That makes it smoke too much.
This?
Catching the duck. You think the duck's faster than us? It's like the dolphins that swim in front of your boats when you're on.
We're about to run over the dog.
Ducky!
He's like swimming for my life.
He's surrounded. No, don't hit it! Hi, we're gonna miss you.
Haha.
Hey, it was nice to meet you, but see you.
What?
Don't take my feet off like that.
No, it does. Leave him on.
Clean. Yeah. I can get going to his home.
He's talking to you.
Do you hear him? Des, listen.
I got his flat is soaked.
Guys.
You like putting your feet in the water there, Desi?
Yeah. Guys, I need to get them on.
More like 25. Yeah. Should have only did 30 minutes.
Put your feet in the water.
Yeah, because I want to cool them off. I'll do this right like Hudson.
Like Hudson?
I'm going to try Hudson.
See, I told you they'd like it.
Making their way around the boat.
Making my way.
Hi.
Pedaling fast. smell like fish.
I want to work that way.
Oh, let it go.
Let's see.
Guys,
Whoa. It's a
Hey, Mom,
raccoon.
hey, Mommy, look.
Ooh,
This
it's
is
a
a part of a dinosaur.
bones.
This is pretty neat, ain't it? Ain't you glad you come checked it out?
Hey, look. Look there.
Ooh, some whoops.
Mom, look, a bear.
Whoa.
And look, a chicken. Chickaletta.
Chickaletta, that's a turkey right there.
Hey, Mom. Mommy.
It's a big turkey.
Mom, let's get out of here. Mommy. Look at checking out this.
What is this here?
Hey, Grandpa, check
It's a otter, I think. Ooh, cockroaches. Cockroaches.
Yeah.
Are those cicadas? No. Look, are those cicadas?
Mommy. Hey, Mom.
Yes, does.
Go check this out.
Mushrooms? Snake skin?
Mom, go check this out. Come here.
What's over there?
There's the map. It's not a map.
There's a map?
Look. It says this is where are we.
That's so cool.
We are right here.
There's a rim shot still there.
Hey, Mom. Mommy, where are we?
We're over here somewhere. Right here.
Yep. Let's
I
go.
want to see.
This is a creek. Do you want one? Hey, come here.
There you go, read it. Thank you. I forgot her name for like 10 seconds.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
let's check out what's her name.
Okay.
Mom, look at that train.
That's so cool.
Mommy, I want to go on the train one.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go on the train one. Let's go on the train one. That's a pretty cool train.
Think you can fit underneath that thing?
Yeah.
Me too.
Hey, Mom, let's go on that train one.
Let's go.
Let's go. You have to wait. Mom, let's go on that. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Look at the train over there.
That's a weird thing. Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Let's try to see what's that helicopter.
Oh, and it's got a
Mom,
helicopter.
what's this? Look, a monster truck.
A monster truck
The boat. Hey, Mom.
and a boat. I know. Cool helicopter.
What's this for?
You gonna fly?
Huh?
It's to fly the helicopter.
Let's go. Well, Mom, let's go do the slide. Mom, there's a slide back here.
Wow, you can slide off the back of the helicopter.
Yeah, we can go step up here. Let's go on the monster truck.
Let's go. Whoa, pfft, that was fast.
Go on the boat. Monster truck. Oh, they got this one. Whee! Mom,
Well,
where's the driver of the van?
you gotta be the driver.
What is back here?
It's got a slide too.
That's a big sign. Mom, let's go drive.
Oh, it's missing the steering wheel.
Huh?
It's missing the steering wheel.
It's has a steering wheel. Let's go on the steering castle. I'm gonna go on this ride.
Okay, you gonna check out the boat? I mean the train?
Mommy, let's do that boat. Can we
The
go
little
on?
boat? Yeah, let's go on a little boat.
Mom, can we go on it?
Yeah, come on. Hmm?
Kayak boat.
Kayak boat? I think it's like a fishing boat.
Yeah, kayak boat and a fishing boat.
So cool, Des.
Mommy, I'm gonna be the driver. You're gonna. Actually, it's a boat. Actually, it's a driver boat.
Let's
Mom,
go.
no, Mom, let's go check out that boat.
Which boat?
That one.
Oh, the ship?
Yeah, let's go see it.
Okay.
It has a slide on the back to go in the boat. Go! Mom, let's go check out that boat. Mom,
Yeah?
let's check out this.
What is it?
A tractor.
Oh, a tractor
Go check it. This is my
with a trailer.
Yeah, and the tractor is that. Mom, you go in, go under it.
You go under it.
Yeah. Go under.
Really?
That's in
Whoa.
Mom, there's a driver on the back.
Doesn't have a wheel, huh?
Yeah. But it has wheels on the back. Let's go. Mommy.
Hmm.
Mom, I want to go to the slide.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Go. Let's go on that boat.
Okay, let's go. Gosh, you're so excited. You keep falling.
What
It's a rock.
is it?
Watch out for the poo-poo.
Mom, let's go check that train out.
You don't want to check out the boat first?
No, first, let's check out the train.
Let's check out this view.
Huh? What?
Look at this view.
Huh? What? What did you say, Mom?
I said look at the view, the trees. Hey, Des, look back here. Hi. Hi. Des. Hi.
You can get out?
Oh, it's got a ladder?
Yeah.
You look stuck.
I can get out.
Good job.
I'm going this train, Mom. Mom, this is the back of the train. Mom,
Mm-hmm.
let's go.
Where are you going?
Mommy, I'm going to go on the back of the caboose.
The caboose?
Hey, Mom, I will be the driver of the train and you'll be the back of there, okay?
Okay, I'll get on the caboose.
Okay. Ready to go?
Ready?
Okay. Going.
What?
It's the same as that train.
Oh, that's a real train.
Huh?
That's a real train.
Yeah.
That's a caboose.
But
That's a real caboose.
Mom, now let's go on the boat now.
The boat now?
Go on the boat.
Yeah.
This is better for.
You can go in the bottom of the boat or go up to the top. Hi.
Mom,
Hi.
I'm down here.
The bottom of the boat.
Why?
You can climb down the side. Over there. Right here. That's like a ladder. Yeah, hold on to there.
I'm on the side.
Come down the slide. Can you come down the slide? Can you come down the slide?
Yeah, sure.
Hi.
Come down.
What? That's a car.
I'm going to cry.
Let's go find Hudson over there.
No, first, let's do the car.
Okay.
This is not a monster truck, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This,
Go. Good job.
I'll get down. Oh,
Yeah, let's go up there.
no, Mom, can we go on it?
Yeah, let's go.
Can we go inside of it?
I think it's locked.
Mommy.
Let's go check it out.
No, first, let's see those horses.
Zebra and a horse.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you can go inside, Des.
Huh?
Maybe.
What?
I think you might be able to go inside. Let's see.
Yeah, Mommy, I'm going to go.
Oh, it's locked.
But, Mom, we're going to go downstairs in the front.
Oh, it's a classroom.
Classroom train. Mom,
See in the window?
yeah, Mom, that's a classroom train.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
you turn the big wheel.
Mommy, what does the back of the train do?
I don't know if it does anything.
Mommy, I'm going to go up the other monster.
All right, let's go this way, down the ramp. Tracks.
But first, that
Go. Whoa, don't let go. Whoa, here you going back. Whoa. Was that fun? You want to try the swings? Sure.
yeah.
Okay. Don't let go. Hold on tight. Hold on. It's like a, whoa. Hold on.
You just gotta jump on. You just gotta jump on.
It's like a carnival ride.
Yeah.
Claire, one hand on it. Are you in a rodeo?
Whoa. That's a big hole. That's a big hole.
Huh?
It goes fast.
It goes fast.
Whoa!
You see that wavy one?
That was fast.
That wavy one is slow.
Oh, it is? The wavy one?
Now we want to do on the slow one. You're on the wavy. You want to be slow.
Just go around, Bubba.
Huh?
Go around.
I want to go to the slow one again. Slow one. I'm going to do that again.
Okay.
I'm going to do the slow one. It's going to be so fast.
Yeah, it is fast.
Yeah. Watch, Hudson. No, come to the slow one. Okay. Mom,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go.
You're going to try the twirly one?
I'm driving that one. You walk.
Oh, it's a big rock. Bless you.
This is heavy.
Bless you.
This big square one.
Oh, yours broke.
Mine broke.
Yeah, yours broke.
Mom, I found a big one. On video. On my new
Yeah.
Mommy, I want you to spin me. Hey, no, I want mom.
You want to get on with him, honey, and I'll spin you?
Yeah. Get on with me, honey. I'll get on. Get on. Get on. Mom, spin us.
We are. Hold on.
Spin us.
There you go. Hold on.
I'm fast.
Hold on.
Heavy.
Okay, you want to get on that?
Yeah.
You ready? You want to lay down?
For what?
Lay down. Ready? Whoa. Is that so relaxing? It's like a hammock?
Yeah. Like camping.
Yeah. You can just take a nap there, huh?
Yeah.
Night.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, good night. 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 Good morning.
You want to go try the swings?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop me.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
My pants all dirty, sir?
Huh?
Look at my pants all dirty. Hey,
What?
can you not put your shoes on me, please? Look at my pants.
All right, let's let
They put their feet together.
Hmm?
They put their feet together.
Oh, yeah.
Billy's already had 2 turns. Why don't Judy and
What? Mommy. I did it. Okay. This one. And then I didn't jump. Because I'm big.
Here they all come.
And then wait, play that. And I tricked them that they That's it.
Let me see. I think they're all...
We try to sneak closer. So
I think those are all females.
yeah, we should try to sneak closer and call it.
Shh. Look. Look, Des. Look.
What? It's baby.
Those are all the elk.
Yeah. Hey, Mom. Tell them all.
Yes, bub. What, bub?
You're the one that say mommy. Hug.
Little hug.
Good hug.
Oh. He doesn't want
Look, I found an X.
Yeah, somebody cut that down.
No, this is baby.
Come on, let's
I
go.
found a pizza X.
Oh, a pizza X.
Pizza X. Keep going straight.
That's right.
And then the curve is where the creepy fire is up here.
Maybe we can find a hiking stick.
Yeah, sure. Maybe. Maybe we can find a hiking stick. Hey, Mom.
What?
Should we bring the hiking stick here so we don't forget so we can go hiking?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You remember we saw monkeys?
That was in Costa Rica. We saw monkeys.
Mom.
Yeah.
I'll go in Costa Rica again to see monkeys again.
That was so fun.
Can I go again?
Yeah, we'll go again one day.
Mommy, I'll go again right now.
Not right now, Bella.
Why?
We're hiking here right now. Okay, let's see which way we're gonna go.
Yeah. Oh, Mommy, it says turn.
Okay, if we be real quiet, we could probably see some animals.
Mom, turn. This is big.
Which way do we gotta go? Do you know?
That way.
That's right.
Mom, where's that way?
It's a different trail.
Why? Mom, now I'm going on a different trail.
Well, we're gonna go this way. This is the way Uncle Adam told us to go.
Why?
He said this way's cool.
No, that way is cooler.
Maybe we'll see some animals. Come on. Ooh, that's a cicada, I think. Okay, come on. Look, I think it's a clue.
What clue?
The green marker. It's a clue to tell us we're on the right trail. Okay, let's go.
Said this way.
Yeah, this way.
That was a big step. You see, that says we're on the right trail.
That's right.
Yeah. That's the clue we saw.
Mm-hmm. We're going downhill.
What?
We're going down the hill.
Mommy.
It's a long way down.
Hey, Mom, can I go on that tree?
Sure. Careful,
So,
there's no animals in there.
yeah.
That might be an animal's home.
Maybe there's bugs in there.
Could be. Okay, come on.
Now when I see this tree down, it's going to fall on my mom.
Mm-hmm.
When I find the Christmas tree, I can pull it.
Okay.
This is a long way down. Right?
It is, yep.
Now I can pull it.
Good throw.
Where is it?
It's over here.
Mommy, I need it.
Right here.
Can you-
Right there. Yeah.
That was a big frog.
Yeah.
My acorn just flew and it got picked it off.
You know, Adam said we're going to go over a bridge, and you could throw it over the bridge into the water. I think there's a creek. Okay?
Mom, look at that big road.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Mom.
What?
Where is the
The bridge?
yeah.
We got to keep going. We'll see it.
And Mom,
Let's find it.
Where's the water?
We'll find it. Let's
Mommy,
go.
don't touch that creepy thing. Maybe there's zombies in there. Mom, go on that side.
What are you talking about?
Go on that side. Don't touch that. That's the creepiness that goes zombies in it.
You're silly. Come on.
No, you're safe.
There's no zombies.
You're the one that is so long. So, Mom,
Uh-huh.
I want the workers to make a long bridge.
Oh, okay. Look, we're going this way. It says Geological Trail. That's where we're going.
Yeah.
And here's the bridge over here.
Where is it?
Over here.
I can see it.
Ooh, look. I think that's an animal cave.
Huh?
That's an animal cave in there.
Okay. Mommy, I'll go up and see it.
No, that's not safe. There might be an animal in there.
Mm.
We don't want to scare them. Come on. Come on, Bob.
Dad, the animals are this way.
Yeah.
Mommy, Dad, that's not the biggest water.
No, it needs more water, huh?
Yeah, Mommy.
What?
Let's find the biggest water. Oh, Mom, Dad, that's the bridge that was on.
Yeah, watch out for all the rocky rocks.
Yeah. Hey, Mom.
What?
But let's find a big water that has a lot of water in it. Do you want to do it?
A bridge with a lot of water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, should we go to it?
Yeah. I don't know if they have one here.
Mommy, let's check.
Yeah, let's keep.
Mommy, that's the biggest water.
No, yeah, it's a little bigger.
It doesn't have full of water in it.
Okay, come on.
Mommy.
Look at all these big tree roots.
Hey, Mom.
What?
Actually, I want this to float.
You want it to float? It might. You could try it.
No. We have to find a big one that floats. Mom, go on these walls.
That's cool.
Go. These are steppy things. Whoa. Mom, the floor is lava. Don't touch it. Mom, the floor is lava.
Okay, come on.
Whoa. Oh. Mom,
What?
don't touch the floor is lava.
Not, I'm on all the tree roots. Come on.
Mom.
What?
Only we can go only on the tree root.
Yes.
This is a big hill.
Yeah. Fine, let's see which way we have to go.
Mommy, look, that's a big way up. Look, that's a big way up.
Okay, we got to keep going this way. It says geological trail. That's where we're going.
Yeah. So, Mom.
That is a big way up.
Where's the house?
Our house?
Yeah.
We don't have a house right here. Our house is in Florida.
Mom, look.
What?
There's some rocks I can hop on.
No, we're not hopping on those rocks. Come on.
Why?
Because they're in the creek. Come on, we'll go this way. Maybe we can go see some down here.
So I can jump on. No, Mom, look. Look.
Oh, yeah, those are mushrooms, I think.
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
Should we take them on and eat them?
No.
Why?
We can't eat all the mushrooms in the forest unless we know what kind of mushrooms they are.
Yeah. Mommy?
Yeah.
We already have mushrooms at home, right?
That's right. Are these cool rocks?
Yeah.
Oh, look, we found another bridge. And a clue.
What clue?
See the red marker?
Yeah, what does it say?
We're on the right trail.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Watch out for all these tree roots. They sure are bumpy.
What, Bubby?
All those tree roots.
These?
Yep.
Mom, I'm gonna jump to the bridge.
Okay. Go.
Watch. Mom, can you hold this?
You can do it.
No, first.
Hold it in your hand.
No, first I go where you put it.
Your hands are full, Bubba. Yeah.
Put it. We do the jump. This is the jump. That's my tree root.
Your tree root.
Oh, Mommy, that's a cave.
That is cool, huh?
That's like a boat. Mom, can I put those rocks down?
No, let's go this way. It's too slippery.
Why? Why?
I don't want you to hurt your ankle or something.
Wait.
Be a long way to carry you.
Yeah.
Ooh, look, it's a cave. That's cool.
Huh?
That's so cool, right?
Yeah. Mommy, look at those rocks.
Yeah. Can you make it up this hill?
Yep.
You got some strong legs.
This is a big rock.
Yeah. Good job.
That's a big rock.
Careful, that one's slippery.
This one?
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm gonna live. Mom, this can help me get up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on.
No. Up, please.
I'm just gonna go, Mom. Look at that cave.
Whoa, it's so cool. Yeah, watch your step. Oh.
Look, here's another on the ledge.
Another bridge.
I go in here.
Yeah, go in there. More mushrooms. Oh.
Mommy, up. It says we're on the right trail.
Oh yeah, it's another clue.
Yeah, I told you.
Let's go.
That's how they know. Oh, what's that creepy way?
I think we go this way.
Why? Why?
Oh, this is the way.
For what? For what? Mommy, I got this all dirty.
Ew.
I want out in sugar. Walk in the water. Mom, should we build a pool? Should we build a pool at our backyard?
Build a pool in our backyard.
Yeah, and then should we put this thing in? Oh, I found another pool!
Oh, cool. We're on the right way. Okay, let's go.
That's number 3.
Number 18.
Mommy, what's your there?
That looks like an animal's house. Some animal is down in there. Come on.
Is that way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Mom.
Don't fall down there. Be careful.
Hey, Mommy.
What? Oh.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I used to dress me up like an animal so I can go in that cave.
You think so?
Yeah, can you? Mommy, I'm gonna be.
Okay, let's see.
Mommy, I'm gonna be a giraffe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta go which way?
That way.
This sign says geological trail, go left.
This way?
Yep.
Yeah, Mom, this is. Whoa, that's a big mountain.
That's a big rock.
Yeah, a big rock. How do I carry that rock?
You can't carry that rock.
Yeah, that's so big.
Yeah.
How do I carry this whole thing, Mom?
I don't know.
I can't carry that one. That one's big. Mommy, let's find. Oh, I can carry this one.
Sure.
Mom, this makes me pull up.
Oh, yeah. Push. Makes your arm strong.
Mom, that can make me strong. Right?
Yeah.
This is the biggest hill.
Hey, there's a chipmunk over there.
Oh. This is
Throw
about
it
water.
and see how far you can throw it. Good job.
That's so
Okay, let's go.
Mom,
This is going to be a bumpy walk.
what?
You got to be careful.
Mom, that's a very long downway.
Now walk up that hill carefully.
Mom, I'm going to walk up the hill like a cheetah. Can you hold this? I'm going to walk up the hill like a cheetah, okay?
Like a cheetah.
Yeah. Mommy, cheetahs have claws to walk up there.
Yeah.
Cheetah speed!
Okay, let's go.
Cheetah speed. I can even get up this.
You're a good climber.
I'm a cheetah. I scared the spider away.
Oh, you saw a spider?
Yeah, how do you walk?
Okay, let's go, cheetah. Come on. I see another clue up there. Let's go.
Mommy, don't touch the spider. What is this clue?
The white marker and the red stick
Oh, where's the white marker?
on the tree.
What tree?
It's the white tag on the tree.
What does it say?
It says we're on the right trail.
I'm gonna go on these walks.
Okay.
Like cheetah does.
Number 20.
What does that say?
That's just a white marker.
Mommy says that we're going up this way.
Okay.
Mommy, I need my cheetah claws. Climb like this. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I get to that big mountain, I can need my cheetah claws.
Mm-hmm.
Cheetah, not claws. Cheetah claws. This is big mountain cheetah claws.
Okay, come on this way, not that way.
And I'm just climbing up this rock to get. Mommy, cheetah.
Come on, cheetah, let's go.
Let's go, cheetah. Cheetah, dude.
Such a cool adventure, huh?
Yeah, cheetah will vent.
Are we exploring
I think
the forest?
Yeah. Good thing I got my cheetah home.
Yeah.
Yeah, for me. So I
through here? Sure is big. Good job.
I'm going cheetah claws.
Cheetah claws.
I can go on here to help me get through this. Yeah.
I think we found a clue. We're on the right path.
What clue?
There's the white tag again.
Let's go. Let's keep going.
Let's keep going. Go.
Hurry. I can even get it's right here, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out for this cheetah walk. Mom, watch out for this cheetah.
That's a cheetah rock.
Yeah. Don't step on that. Don't touch the green one.
Okay. Let's see if we can whisper so we can see animals.
Cheetah.
Okay, come on.
In fact, the wrong way up.
It is.
Yeah.
You're doing a great job.
Go behind this rock.
Okay.
That makes me fall.
Well, this is a big hill to climb up.
Mommy, I got my cheetah claws to climb up. Mommy, I can save you up here.
Doing a great job.
Hold my hand.
It's okay. Keep your hands. Keep going. Oh, we're going to go through two big rocks. It's like a cave.
That's a spooky cave.
Whoa.
What?
That's so cool, bub.
That's a spooky cave. How do you get through that creep right here?
Yeah, we got to fit through there. Let's go.
No, Mommy, first I'll take a picture of this one.
Picture up here? Okay. That'll be fun. Ready?
I'll go all the way back there.
Not too far. Okay, ready? Okay, I got it.
Come. What did you take a picture of?
It's an animal hole.
Mommy, look at our feet.
Our feet again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's try them. I got up. I got up, Mom.
Good job.
Stairs.
Well, let's go see.
I think that's the other hiking one.
Whoa. You okay?
I can only do on one step.
Yeah.
Let's see up. What's up here? Whoa! It's another rock.
That's a big rock.
Mommy, I'll take a picture on here.
Okay.
I can get up here. I'll get a picture on that big rock.
You gotta stay right there.
I'll get a picture.
Okay, look this way.
I'll take a picture on
No,
that.
you can't get up there.
Why?
Turn around.
Yes,
Say
I-
cheese. Turn around.
Cheese.
Look at me. Okay. Ooh, let's go see the overlook. Look, there's a clue. This way's the right way. so beautiful.
Mommy, I'm gonna grab it. I'm like, whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Is it so beautiful, Des? Look, come look. Look. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go check it out. Come on.
I mean, let's
Let's go.
go. You go. Whoa, what's that thing? What's that thing?
Let's go check it out.
You're saying I got like one time.
Oh, that's for zip lining.
Huh?
That's for zip lining.
Huh?
That's where they zip line.
What is this? Where we zip line?
This is a zip line.
Oh. How do you get zip lining?
Oh, it's not open today.
Why?
I don't know. Come on.
Why is not open today?
Come on, let's go.
Mom?
Oh, look how pretty this is.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Dad. Let's go on this bridge.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
This is a long way down.
Mm.
Mommy, no, mommy. No, mommy. Then, Mom, this is like a bridge stairs.
Yeah.
We should see up that man. There's our mom.
Why don't you put it on?
Huh?
Why don't you put it on
For what?
so it's easier to climb?
Oh, okay. Mommy, I wanna go back down.
Here, go up.
Let's go. Mommy, I made it to the top.
Good job. Let's go this way. Look, we got all these climb all these up.
Oh.
Let's go.
How do I climb these?
Keep
Oh,
going.
How do I climb?
Some big stairs. Keep going.
Yeah. I'm gonna climb this one. That's a big rock. Climb up. Guys. Mommy, I can get up this one.
All right,
Hey,
let's go.
Mom, can we go up that?
Yeah, let's go.
Mom, can we go up that?
We can't go on the zip line. It's closed.
Why? Why is it closed?
Maybe there's no worker.
Why?
No, Bubba. Come on. Come on, please. Say bye to the park.
Where is it?
We're going to the airport.
Where is it?
We're in the park. Say bye, park.
Bye, bye.
It was fun.
It was fun. Mom, gotta go park. There!
Come over here, bub. You see the moon? Do you see the moon?
Stop.
That's the luggage cart.
Dad, I can see Interstate.
Look, you can wave to the pilot.
Where
Okay,
is
go up
it?
the ramp.
Huh?
Go up the ramp. Oh, he's not in there yet.
Dad, I can see Interstate.
Come on, go.
Mom, where's the stairs?
Oh, down there.
Out here. Mommy, it's a long time. Hi.
Knuckles,
Whoa.
ready to go? All right, well, go sit down. Let's go.